Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add magical effect to your video with AI effect on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open my draft. So I'm tapping on the video, and this is my draft. I'm going to open it, and hold on guys. Okay, and if we want to apply a magical effect to this video, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the filter option, and then we're going to tap on AI effect. And here you can add magical touch or magical effect to your video. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the magic effect. Okay, just keep scrolling. And here are the magic effects that we can use. There are some effects that we can apply to our video. You can apply bat, butterfly, bubble, matrix, warning, fireworks, and ribbons. And I'm gonna go with bubble, so I'm tapping on the bubble effect. Okay, then after that we can tap on this check mark button. Alright, and we can adjust the length. I'm going to make it align with the video. Okay, and here is the result. I'm going to play it. Okay, wow, it looks wonderful. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply magical effect to our video with AI effect on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.